Hello, you have now worked your way through section 1 in this unit about mobile applications. You have taken the first step into mobile applications related to healthcare. We have focused on technical aspects, the basic requirements, the mobile application architecture. You have met Diana, our case person. You have worked with relating patients' need to specific mobile applications. You have evaluated the quality of different mobile applications. And now you're ready to move on to section 2. In section 2, you will work with several different mobile applications. You will develop skills related to the application of mobile application, and Diana will visit us once more in section 2. Here, your focus is going to be on her needs for individualization of her mobile application use. You are also going to work with knowledge surrounding the side effects and potential risks when we use mobile application in our relation to clinical practice. Have fun.